imwe tu thutha wa maciira kenda kuhandwo igoti-ini ikaruma kuregana na moimirira ma githurano kinene, riu kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni twarite maratathi maria mari na wuira uria mehariirie gugatamburukia ciira uyu ugithikiririo kiumia giukite. Hamwe na maratathi maria matwaritwo igoti-ini ni fomu cia 34A, 34B na 34C iria cirĩ na mathabu ma moimirira ma githurano kinene, na kamishina Boya Molu hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa IEBC Hussein Marjan Hussein neo matongoririe mihang'o ino igoti-ini ria Milimani.
We are here at the Supreme Court to submit all the requirements that we are required to submit. That is copies of all certified copies of all Form S, that is Form 34S, and certified copies of Form 34B, and certified copy of Form 34C, and Form 34D. Those are the things we have submitted and officially received by court. Now it is in court custody, so we are done with our obligation of submitting those election materials to the court as per the court rules and regulations.
Maciira matanyihiire mugwanja hari kenda maria mahandirwo igoti-ini riri ma kuregana na uhotani wa William Ruto ari ta president wa gatano. IEBC ni yorotetwo ikirikana ati ni yagararire mitaratara ikihaririria githurano, gitumi kiria kiratuma moimirira ma githurano giki maregano namo.
All those forms are also submitted in electronic format. The commission is ready to submit any information that court would require to submit.
IEBC ikaneana macokio mayo muthia-ini wa kiumia, no hamwe na IEBC guthitangwo, makamishina matiganite ni magwetetwo macira-ini maya makiria thutha wa njatũkano kuyumiria gatagati ka makamishina ya igie kana ni kwari na muhotani wa president, na uyu uronekana gukorwo ari undu kuheo uritu munene thiini wa igoti hindi ya guthikiririo gwa ciira.
I think now we are here for submission of election material. We'll leave it at that. The other matters we can discuss in another forum.
Na hamwe na aria mahandite ciira igoti-ini ni Raila Odinga na munini wake Martha Karua, seneta muthure wa Busia Okiya Omutata, muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Helif Halifa, muteti Ruben Kigame, gikundi kia mbeu njithi kiria gitambulikanite ta Youth Advocacy Africa, na muikia wa kura John Njoroge wa Kamau.
Election is a very regulated process. We have followed the election law to the letter. We are very confident that there is no any violation of any procedures, rules or regulation. But that is why we have court. It is court to determine.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ngwataniro ya Azimio ni heanite maritwo ma mawakiri 41 aria makurugamirira Raila na Karua igoti-ini, hamwe na wari ni James Orengo, Firoz Norji, Philip Murgor na Okongo Omogeni gatagati-ini kagi. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa